Hi, my name is Daughter Evelyn. I'm a Jawad teacher and also a tutor on the accredited Jawad belly dance training courses. In this video, I want to go over techniques for advancing your basic rick or sidestep. Now, there's a video in this series where I go over the pure basics. So this is taking it a step forward. Make sure you check the other one just to make sure that you've got your basics right. We'll start in our dance posture, aligning ourselves beautifully, lifting up, creating lots of nice dance space, engaging our core, so we're tucked under 30% or so, and we're ready to go into our side step. Now, we can do all sorts of fancy arms on our Saidi Sidestep. I've got a couple of variations in the video on the basics. So in this one, I really want to focus on your bum, basically adding tacks and variations onto the basic walk. So your tacks are your glute contractions, which makes your hip go up. And hopefully you've got the basic technique for that nailed, because we can then add it on as an accent to the walk as we're traveling with it. If you're not quite sure about the tack and what I mean with it, then make sure you check the video in the Jawad series on the technique. So the way it's going to work is it's the rick or the sidestep. You can do to any kind of music and any kind of rhythm, but there's probably going to be a big dum, a big accent to hit somewhere as you're walking. And we're going to step out and we're going to clench the glute on the foot that's stepping out so that we're contracting, creating a nice little lift. And as we bring our foot in, we do it very nice and softly. And again, as we're pushing off, a bit delayed, so it's not the same time, it goes boom, 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 and boom. We can do the same walking the other way, so opposite glute. So make sure you don't lock your knee. Your leg straightens, but the power of this comes from your gluteus maximus, your largest muscle in your body. So you're pushing off and you contract your glute. Your thigh muscle is helping a tiny bit because it likes to get involved whenever the gluteus maximus does that. And push off, contract, and push off, contract, and push off, contract. We can do 4 each way, so it goes push and push and push and push and push, 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 push. It's often done this in a Saidi or to the Saidi rhythm, and if you know the Saidi rhythm, it goes dum tak, dum dum tak, dum tak, dum dum tak. So it's really useful to be able to do that rhythm as well. So that means we're going to do 1 tack on the first push-off step, tack, and on the second one we're going to do a 1-2. So we're going to say 1 and 1-2. Try the other way. Just 1 tack to start with, 1 and then 2, tack, tack, and 1 and 2. So with the 2s, you do a little release and then a really powerful one at the end. So they won't be fully even, but it will go tack, tack, okay? Little, big. Make sure to release in between because otherwise you can't take it further. We'll do walking again for 4 with the 1 tack and the double tack, and it goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2, change, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Now there's nothing that says that you have to do that rhythm. You could do doubles every time, you could mix up the rhythm. You could do 3 glute contractions if you wanted to, but also you can do, instead of doing the contraction on the up, you can do it on the down or both. So normally we say up, up, and then we can do the contraction down as well as we bring the foot in. So if we're operating just with one, it would go up, up, and up, up, and up, up, and up, up. Trying the other way, up, 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 up. So on this one, using more of a lock in your obliques than you're actually using maybe your glute muscle. But again, you might find, especially if you're an experienced dancer, that you use a combination of both to kind of get that really powerful feel. So we can say tack up and push down with your obliques, and tack up, push down with your obliques, tack up, push down with your obliques, tack up, push down. Other way, tack, push, tack, push, tack, push, tack, push. So you get a contraction on both. And finally you can do a double, so it goes tack, tack, push, push. So it will go tack, 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 tack. Other way, tack, tack, down, down, tack, tack, down, down, tack, tack, down, down, tack, tack, down, down. You might need a good shimmy in between, but let's try it with a bit of music, starting with the real basics and then chucking a couple of those more advanced ones in at the end. Let's remind ourselves of our posture, backing in and up, bringing ourselves on a diagonal. To start with, we're just going to do the one tack, so the one glute contraction. We're going to say tack, 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 change, tack, 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 and again. Let's try two. Tack, 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 and again. Now let's try one and two. One and two. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Following the drum. Last time. Now we can try the tack. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Push, 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 push. And we could do them in twos. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. There you go. Some funky variations for your Rick or your side step, and have a bit of a play around with it, see what you fancy. But if you do add any of those contractions and accents on, make sure you pick up on the right beats in the music. Have fun practicing, and thank you very much for watching.